And if you ever get rejected, I'm saying the rejection because I took it personally, even though I knew it wasn't personal. These things are not personal. Performance is objective, it's not subjective. You're rejected because of your performance is objective. It's not because they don't like your face or anything. It's simply objective. There's something you haven't done correctly. Don't let anyone try to talk us into believing, oh, they are racist. There are other people like yourself in the same color or anything that you're trying to say that was the reason that we are accepted into that. So what have they done differently? So don't excuse any rejections. Follow it head on, but do it after you've bounced back first.
The most brutal feedback you got from the assessors the first time, the one that you said the feedback was brutal, but the one that really maybe pierced your heart?
I think it was one around my personal statement, but I said part of what I want to come and do is mentor, and they said this is not, I forgot how to put it, and then they ended it with, am I saying that there is no mentors in the UK? That something about how it's not a serious evidence. I'm talking as if there's no mentors in the UK, that is done. And I'm like, people are not right. I think that would be the most brutal.
How do you think then that feedback, how did it play? Do you feel it played a part in the second application? In what ways do you think it was useful in that sense?
I had to show them this time. Well, first of all, I put in the mentor side that I had to indicate that I had some mentees that were into UK. So they know that I'm even mentoring the people that you guys are thinking don't need mentors. But then the most important thing was, it's not just about mentorship, right? In what aspect am I mentoring these people? I had mentees in the UK who are trying to expand into Africa, and I had Africans who are trying to expand into the UK. Now, these are two different continents, and you need somebody that has understanding of these continents. So I'll say it helped me structure that I'm not just your average mentor, but one person that understands the both continents and can build the proper economic value for the UK market by bringing the pool of people. And then I showed evidences. I'm still coming back to you guys because I also have the Australian visa in my mind maybe for next year.
All right.
All right.
When you said something like that, you said that you can get anyone now.
Exactly.
I even heard